Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you confused about which crypto exchange is the best in 2025? Well, you're not alone. Today we're going to break down the top 3 and find the best one to fit your trading needs. Let's go. So now we're going to talk about Kraken. Alright, so here we are on Kraken's homepage, and Kraken is a US-based exchange known for top-tier security and regulatory compliance. As again, I'm going to say this right now, I really appreciate Kraken. This is the wallet that I use. Unfortunately, USDT is not accepted in Canada. I don't know why, but so I have a Kraken wallet though, so I highly recommend it. I do use other coins with it and accept other crypto with Kraken, but it offers both beginner-friendly and advanced trading interfaces along with features like futures, staking, and margin trading. And it's absolutely amazing, okay? You're also gonna get awesome key features, okay? So the key features are highly secure, cold wallet storage, two-factor authentication, and advanced security protocols. I know that's all important to all of you. It also offers spot, margin, and futures trading for over 200 crypto assets. I mean, that is just off the map, right? It's great. It also has a simple UI on Kraken's main platform and advanced tools in Kraken Pro. Strong customer support and educational guides for traders of all levels. So if you're a beginner, this platform, Kraken, I highly recommend it because this is what I've been using and I've been getting a lot of cool experiences out of it. There's also a transparent fee structure and global accessibility. So that's very important. It's going to make you feel a little bit better about investing in exchanges, right? Because these are the top 3 that everybody's been using right now, okay? And it's ideal for security conscious investors like myself, traders interested in advanced tools with compliance, which is very important, right? US and EU based users looking for regulated options. An important thing to note for users is each exchange serves different user levels from total beginners to full-time traders, okay? It has all these amazing features. You can earn weekly rewards and all this cool stuff. I really enjoy it. And I recommend using Kraken as well. I recommend Coinbase and Binance. So we're going to break down a little bit more here. And Coinbase is great for ease of use and regulatory confidence. Binance offers the most features for active traders and crypto explorers, okay? And Kraken provides a secure and balanced option with compliance and advanced tools, okay? Now, I understand that choosing the right crypto exchange depends on your goals. So we need to know what your goals are. Leave it down in the comments. So are you just starting? Do you want to trade actively, okay? Or do you value security and regulation above all? The good news, all 3 of these platforms, Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, are top tier platforms trusted by millions around the world. Alright guys, so which exchange are you using right now, and do you plan to switch in 2025? Let us know down below in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more crypto breakdowns, and share the video with those looking to invest in crypto, and we'll see you in the next video.